In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page border using Adobe Photoshop. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their digital design skills, whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Adobe website and download the latest version. Once it's installed and launched, you're ready to begin your creative journey. Now that you have Photoshop open, you'll want to set up your canvas. This is where all the magic happens. Click on File in the top left corner, select New, and you'll be prompted to specify your canvas size. Depending on your project, you might want to choose a standard size like A4 or letter, though you can certainly customize it to suit your specific needs. Once your canvas is ready, we're going to unlock the potential of Photoshop with one of its hidden gems, the Glyphs panel. To access this, go to the top menu bar, click on Window, and then select Glyphs. This feature offers a variety of characters and symbols that can add a unique touch to your designs. Among these options, you'll want to locate the Trademark logo, which we'll use to create a decorative frame. You can use the search bar in the Glyphs panel to expedite your search for the trademark symbol. Some fonts will let you see different design options. After finding the trademark glyph, simply double-click it. This action will automatically place the symbol onto your canvas. At this point, you might notice it's too small or the wrong orientation for your design. No worries. You can use the transform tool available under Edit in the top menu bar to adjust its size and rotation as needed. By holding down the Shift key, you'll ensure the logo scales proportionately without distorting its shape. Now for the creative part, we'll use multiple instances of this trademark glyph to form a complete border around your canvas. Use the copy and paste functions, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for Windows, or Command+C and Command+V for Mac to create several copies. Then, position them along the edges of your canvas to form a stylish border. You can play around with spacing, alignment, or even experiment with different glyphs if you're feeling particularly creative. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted page border using Adobe Photoshop's glyph feature. Remember, this is just one of many ways to enhance your designs, so don't hesitate to explore more features and let your creativity roam free. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing what amazing designs you come up with.